light. And the reason I'm holding this next to my face is because you can't really see me, but the reason we're doing that is because we're going to be turning off the lights, so then you can see.
They're already on.
Yeah.
But it's pretty dark in here.
We turned off the lights, we closed the blinds. It's pretty dark.
We're still at school though.
Yeah, we're still at school.
That would have been bad if we stepped on it.
Yeah.
Because these are not.
Okay, I'm going to turn on the light for a second so you can see what we're dealing with here.
Turn them up. Are you pushing it?
Oh, thank God. Okay. So for a second the lights weren't working, but what we're doing with here to give you this light is here, I'll just show you this so then the light doesn't turn on and I waste the battery. What we're dealing with here is a little science toy called Little Bits.
As you can see, you can still see. No, you can't really see it, but
Here, hold it up to it. This is the difference from light to unlight.
and then wait, turn them off for a sec. Here's battery energy, and here's body energy. If you look, there's not that much of a difference, except that it like dims in for body energy.
I'm going to come back and get something very useful for this video, so I'll be right back.
Alright, so start off by light. Light is the fastest moving thing that we know of. Supposedly, according to Ben Franklin, if you travel, I think it's Ben Franklin, if you travel faster than the speed of light, you will time travel. And you will travel back in time. And if you go through a wormhole, you will travel through the future. And that's why. So pretty much, the light is probably going before you can hear the click. The light is probably going on before you hear the click. Just barely, but the light is going
in that
on.
last one, that they're way too high up to reach, so hopefully there's one in here.
I'm going to turn the lights back on. Off, I mean. They're already on. And that's why light is again the fastest thing. So I just unplugged it. So since we're using little bits as our examples, what it is what's a battery?
Okay, so it looks like they don't have flashlights.
So if you use this, I'll use Dylan's this time.
I have just found a little bit of utility.
So there's,
You might think this is good, but trust me, this will work.
what do you have?
Slinkies?
Wire. Oh, what are wires going to do?
Okay, see how this is ominously glowing? Here. I want you to hold the light up to it.
But here.
The battery isn't connected.
I'm scared to touch this though, since we might get shot.
Okay, never mind. It's not good.
Wait, we need rubber gloves because we don't want to shock or something. We need like gloves.
There's no place in here.
Does
Okay.
this work?
No.
Because I don't want to shock myself.
So, never
What
mind.
we were trying to do was use wires to turn it on, but since we don't have rubber gloves, we're too scared to do it. I'm too scared to do it. I don't know about Dylan.
I would do it, but I'm afraid of risking my life.
Same. I would do it. I'm scared to do it. Like, I would do it. I'm scared to do it. What's the difference? And then we're doing light.
We're gonna see if light can travel through fabric.
Well, yeah. Alright, so what we're gonna do is where would that so we're gonna take this computer and I'm just gonna pull up an image of white. I'll just pull up an image of white.
Ah, stop. Move the chair.
Ow.
Did I kick you?
Did this come? Did you? That's no, don't shut down. Cancel. Oh, there was 3 seconds left before it shut down. So I'll take a picture of something that's like really bright. Don't hear that. So I'm taking a picture of the light from an angle so that way it's really bright.
This was a bad idea.
You just hold it up. Okay, so I have this image of a light which is really bright. See how bright that is?
Okay, it's standing up, but we know. Oh. I was moving away to this. Okay, there we go. So now we got that.
So I'm gonna put it at. So right now there's no light coming out of this. A little bit.
Oh, see, you can see it right there.
Is it clear?
Yes. Well, no, not really. So, what I'm gonna do?
So light does go through fabric.
Yes.
You can see it right here.
So right now we're gonna be doing an experiment with little lights, like these, and we're gonna be seeing how much they can travel through the thing.
If I take a dark picture, let's see if
Okay,
it'll go through.
Yeah, you can't really see them.
No.
So that's.
Do it again. I'll tell you if you can just see it in person too.
Can you see it?
Nope, you can't even see it.
Not like a bit.
Nope.
So, big light and little light very, depend on what you're going to be using. So today we
Wait, I have a black light. Let's see how long it takes for it to get through.
a black
It's
light.
not like a black light. Like it's literally a light that's black.
Oh. Oh, you can see some. Oh yeah, there it goes.
But can you see the actual black? Can you see the actual black or no?
Yeah, well, yeah, but right there. Okay, so this is going to be a very good experiment. I have a shiny water bottle. Right?
So I'll reflect light off it.
So what I want you to do is I want you to take your computer, put it right here, and I'm going to hold my water bottle behind it, and let's just see if you can see the light coming off of it.
And I'm gonna do what?
I want you to see if you can see the light coming off of it.
When I do this. Here, if we're gonna get this to work, can you see it?
Yeah, I can see a little bit, like right there. Hold on, and there.
Is it moving up and down?
Oh, that's the Apple logo computer. That's for the logo. Oh. So, right now we are learning that little light and big light very much depend on many things. Now, we're going to be doing an experiment with human eyes and light.
First of all, what we're gonna do is, what should we do with light?
Let's take a picture.
What are some light tricks?
Ready? Okay, we're going to take this computer. You're not going to be able to see anything for a second, but that is completely A-okay. Nothing happened. Yeah, nothing happened. So now we're going to take this light.
You can see it, right?
Alright, come back here. Come back here. Can the camera see it?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't really see it that well.
Here, I'll full screen it.
So,
You can sort of see it.
right here you can see. Oh, I just turned it off.
Yeah, it's off.
Okay.
I think we might have to end this video fairly soon.
Okay, so then I'm gonna come closer and closer and closer, and you still can't see me. It looks like just a floating white.
And then this trick will work better on the bare eye.
Yeah. And on camera, it also looks pretty good on camera.
It works better on the naked eye though.
Okay, I'm gonna take a sit down right here. Hi, you can see my face.
Yeah. It looks weird though.
That looks creepy.
It doesn't look like your face.
It doesn't look like my face. Okay. So I'm gonna plug this in right here. There we go. I got the lights. You can see my face. Oh, no, you can't. Right here. So you can see. Looks like there's a bow now. Or a person. Just floating. So the reason this is because this light is a bit, is not light enough to show my face, like this red light is, but it is bright enough to only show the light itself.
So I'm putting this right in front of my face. Dude, look, this is right in front of my face. I'm putting my face right next to it.
Yeah, and the human eye, you can really see it, but right about there is his face, right there.
So look, I'm gonna move it with my face. You can see that one hand here and one hand here. I'm gonna move it with my face. You can sort of see it because of the red light. You can see it just looks like it's randomly moving. Or I can make it disappear without turning it off. Look. It looks like the light just completely disappeared. So it's gonna look like the light is completely disappearing. That's just because it's not light enough for you to see my face, so you can't see that it's just going behind me.
And it's so dark in here just to prove to you that I just ran into this chair right here. So, alright, ready? You can't see anything right now.
Should we wrap up our video?
Yeah, I feel like this should be the outro right here. Thank you guys
Thanks
for
for watching.
tuning in.
Thanks for
I hope
watching.
you at least learned one thing today, and if you already knew something,
Comment
comment down below. what
and
you
comment something that you want us to do. We also have a website, springscrubscience.weebly.com. Bye.